Number 8. I think I'll kind of work my way over to here to do this by substitution. Substitution, you got two lines and we're looking for where they cross. So remember, we need an X and a Y. We're going to need an X and a Y to find out where these lines cross. Now, if you've got a Y by itself, the easiest way to do it is to take that value of Y and put it right here. So I'm going to come over here and do that. I'm going to put, I think you can see both of them. I'm going to put 4x, I'm going to draw a line through here, minus the 5, and I'm going to multiply, just like it says the Y there, the 3x minus 9. And it says that that is equal to negative 10. So all we're doing is taking the 3x minus 9 and putting it right there for Y. And everything else stayed the same. Let's distribute our negative 5, so we get 4x minus 15x plus 45 is equal to negative 10. I'm going to clean up my x's. 4x minus 15x is negative 11x plus 45 equals negative 10. Let's subtract 45. We get negative 11x is equal to negative 55. Divide by negative 11. I'm off the screen there. And we get x is equal to 5. Now we've only found the x, so we'll put our order pair x, and we need to get the y. So we need to take that 5 and we can put it back in either one of these. Well, to me the first one looks the easiest. So I'm going to do y is equal to 3 times 5, you can use a dot or parentheses, minus 9. So y is equal to 15 minus 9, and that will make y equal to 6. And that's the point, xy, where these two lines cross. If you were to graph them, you could see where they cross. Okay, let's do some exponents. We've got 4n, and that n's raised to the 1, p to the third, all raised to the 4th power. So we've got 4 to the 4th, which is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Now there's a couple different ways to do it. To me it's easier to do it 16 times 16. So 16 times 16, 36, 9, 6, 1, 6, 15 is 256. And then when you raise a variable to a power, you've got power of a power. So I've got 1 times 4, which was n to the 4, and then p to the 3 times 4, which is the 12th. Now this one, we've got negative exponents that we need to move because we don't want to leave negative exponents in our answer. So I can go ahead and reduce the 2 fourths. I think I'm going to wait. I'm going to leave the 2 on top and the 4 on the bottom. P to the 4th is going to stay on top. Q to the negative 3 is going to go to the bottom. It's Q to the 3rd. That's why you get rid of your negative exponents. R to the negative 2 is going to go to the bottom. And Q to the 2nd is going to stay on the bottom. Okay, we only move these two right here. So now we'll reduce. The 2 fourths will reduce to 1/2. I have, let's do the p's first. So I have, okay, and I think I only have 4 p's. So we have those on top. We have q's. We have 3 q's and 2 q's. So we have 5 q's on the bottom. And we have 2 r's, and they're on the bottom. Number 11. Now if you're adding expressions, you can just go straight across, put your like terms together. Now if it says standard form, we need to do the highest exponent first. So I see 3x to the 4th and negative 2x to the 4th. So I'm going to add those first. Negative 2, plus 3 is a positive 1x to the 4th. You can put the 1 there if you want to. And I'm going to mark those out. We've done those. Now let's do the x's. 5x plus 4x is 9x. And negative 8 plus positive 7 is a negative 1. And that's standard form because you've got exponent of 4, exponent of 1, and then no x's. So 4x's, 1x, no x's. Now when you do subtraction, you need to take this negative 1 and distribute it across and make it addition. So we've got 3x to the 4th minus 7x squared plus 7x. Those just stay the same. Then we've got minus 2x plus 6x cubed minus 3x to the 4th. Now we're going to do just like we did this one over here. our highest exponent is 4, so 3x to the 4th minus 3x to the 4th, they're actually gone. So I don't have any more x to the 4th. The next one is 6x cubed, and that's the only one I have. The next one is the negative 7x squared, and that's the only one. And then I have positive 7x minus 2x, which is a positive 5x. Number 13. We need to distribute the 2x, and then we'll distribute the negative 8. So 2x times 7x is 14x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Negative 8 times positive 7x is negative 56x. And negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16. Now notice we can clean these up. We have 14x squared. We have a negative 4x and a negative 56x, which is negative 60x, and then our plus 16. And notice it's in standard form, just like the one we had, the two we had up there. Now, if you remember, 2x minus 7 squared means 2x minus 7 times 2x minus 7. So I'm going to have to, again, distribute the 2x. So I have 2x times 2x is 4x squared, and 2x times negative 7 is negative 14x. Now we'll do the negative 7. Negative 7 times positive 2x is another negative 14x, and negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. We'll put our like terms together, so we have 4x squared, and negative 14 plus negative 14 is negative 28x, and then plus, excuse me, then I'll slide it up for you, and then plus the 49.